Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix cellular issue detected on your iPhone. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of cellular issue detected and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to first of all restart your iPhone. Sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings and scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply check your airplane mode. Ensure that airplane mode is turned off on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access to the control center. And then you have to verify that airplane mode is disabled. After making sure that the airplane mode is disabled, then you have to do is simply update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update often include bug fixes and improvement. So you have to open the settings on your iPhone, then scroll up and then tap on software update and then check if there's new available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.5. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. So guys, after trying all of these steps and still facing the issue and you are still facing the issue of cellular issue detected, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. So guys, to do this you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhone cellular issue detected. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.